Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can find out your public account ID on the Kraken crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Kraken application on your device, and after providing your biometrics or your PIN code, you will end up within the homepage. Now if you wish to find out your public account ID, then tap on your account icon at the top left corner and then tap on your email address or your username at the top section. Now within this page, you will now find your public account ID. You can tap on the copy icon alongside to copy this onto your clipboard, and now you can share this with any person who wishes to add you or send you crypto. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find out your public account ID on the Kraken crypto trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.